Hello. For baby safety, I will use this one. Do you see? I already put this one. And now I will put another one. You have to open this one like this and like this. And now it's ready to put. Okay. Okay, it's done. This one I did before. I hope my baby don't get this. Bye.